Welcome to CDEB 107, Child Growth and Development. This is the winter intersession course that runs from January 4th to January 31st. I am Professor D, and I will be your instructor through this extremely fast-paced 4-week course. I want to go over the textbook that you need to have for this course, as well as the syllabus. So the textbook looks just like this. It's called The Developing Person Through Childhood and Adolescent. It's the 11th edition. Make sure you get the 11th edition. You also want to purchase Launchpad, which is a platform that will allow you to take the quizzes, the midterm, the final, and also view all videos. If you do not have Launchpad, you will not pass this course because you will be unable to take any of the exams and so forth. So make sure that you do get the bundle. It's not just the handbook, it's the bundle. So you want the Launchpad access as well as the Developing Person textbook. You will need both. So I want to go ahead and go over the syllabus very briefly with you, just so you can familiarize yourself. You'll go over here to this side tab, which says syllabus, and you can click right here on the winter 2021 syllabi. So it's going to give you information about the course name and the when it ends and so forth. Also down in here, if I'm going to go down a little bit, it will tell you when the last time you can drop and so forth. It's a very, very fast-paced course. As I said prior, it's only 4 weeks and there's a lot of information jammed into 4 weeks. So this course is an introductory course that examines the interactions between the processes and environmental factors such as physical, psychosocial, and cognitive language development milestones for children, both typical and atypical, from conception through adolescence. And I list our SLOs that we will be looking at throughout the course, and they are describe development of children from concept through adolescent in physical, social, emotional, and cognitive domains. You will be able to critically evaluate the cultural, economic, political, history contexts that impact children's development. And you also will be able to apply developmental theory to child observations, surveys, and or written interviews using investigative research methodologies. So these are all the SLOs, which are student learning outcomes that you will be able to have a foundation for once you complete this course. We talk about the mission statement as well as academic dishonesty. You want to make sure to read these over. This is straight from the SEC catalog, as well as academic accommodations. If you need accommodations, please email me your accommodation form prior to the class starting. We will also, I will go over these assignments in depth the weeks that they are due, but just to kind of give you a quick overview, you will be doing these KWLs, which stands for what do you know already, what would you like to know, and what did you learn about the chapter topics. So each week we go over 4 chapters. So you'll write 1 on chapter 1, 1 on chapter 2, 1 on chapter 3, and 1 on chapter 4. Just 1 all the way across, a K, a W, and an L on each chapter. And then diving into some of our assignments, we have a parent interview. There is a nutrition, a healthy snack activity. Piagetian investigation is one of our big points for assignments. You also will conduct or create a resource letter. And then, of course, we have quizzes. There are 4 per week, 1 on each chapter. Again, there's 4 chapters per week that we'll be covering. You will also have 1 midterm and 1 final. And all of the quizzes, again, and the midterm and the exam go through Launchpad, which is what you will need to purchase along with the textbook. So I kind of talk about online etiquette, how we need to respect others' opinions and so forth. So when you are responding to your discussion boards, make sure that they are appropriate. In this particular class, there is no makeup or late policy because it's a 4-week class. It goes, goes, goes. If you miss 1 week, you will be so far behind, you won't be able to catch up. So please, I will open this section or this course early for you. Please start early and move on. Now, one thing I do want to let you know is you will have to complete everything in the module before you go on to the next module. So if you can't go on to the next module, it's because you haven't completed the entire module prior. That's really important for you to know. In our class points, there's 475 points total. And then, of course, at the end of the syllabus, I give you a course outline that shows you what exactly is due and what we're doing each week. Week 1, week 2, 3, and 4. Tells you exactly what's due. And again, I will give you a video every week and go over these assignments in depth so you will understand. And if you have any questions, you can always email me and I get back to you pretty quickly. Welcome to the class. I'm excited to meet you. This is going to be a whirlwind experience, but you will have much to take with you as far as what you are learning from our textbook and all the assignments that we are going to be doing. So I look forward to meeting all of you soon. Take care.